Artificial intelligence ChatGPT, the latest tool of OpenAI, has impressed experts because of its unique performance in performing complex tasks. You have heard the name of the magic lamp giant. GPT is a type of the same light. Ask this robot any question, you have to hear the answer, and this is really exciting. Artificial intelligence is becoming more advanced day by day, and we see the development of interesting and sometimes scary products with artificial intelligence. One of the artificial intelligence models that has made a lot of noise in recent weeks is a chatbot called ChatGPT. This chatbot is developed by OpenAI, a startup that Elon Musk is one of the founders of. This robot can easily understand math, physics, and programming, solve complex problems, generate content for a blog, compose song lyrics, create HTML pages, and even converse as a human. How to use ChatGPT artificial intelligence? To use this robot, you must do the following steps. First, log into the OpenAI website. Click on Try ChatGPT option. If this is the first time you have entered the OpenAI site and you have not created an account, you must register at this stage. But if you have already registered, log into your OpenAI account. To enter the account, you must click Login, and to register, you must click Sign Up. If you don't want to use your Google or Microsoft account, you can create an account on this website with your email and phone number. After entering your email, OpenAI will send you an email that you must verify your account through the link inside. Next, it's time to enter the phone number. The ChatGPT page has a simple design and includes a section for results as well as a box for users to write requests. You can ask any question you want to ChatGPT. Next, you can ask questions about ChatGPT's answer and continue this conversation in general. If you want to know more about ChatGPT, watch our other videos about that.